Hey, it's your girl, Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we're in beautiful Sherrills, North Carolina, checking out the Hayden floor plan here at Chestnut at Laurelbrook. This two-story home in the Tradition series starts at just $386,990 and gives you so much space. Over 2,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Step inside and you're greeted by a foyer that opens right into the heart of the home. Off to the side, there's a private home office perfect for working from home. The open concept design ties together the living room, dining area, and a functional kitchen. Also on the main floor, an added bonus, a guest bedroom and full bath, great for visitors or multi-generational living. Now upstairs, the Hayden truly shines with a spacious primary suite, complete with a walk-in closet and bathroom featuring dual vanities. 3 more bedrooms share a 3rd full bathroom, and there's also a loft that can be used for family game nights, a media spot, or even a cozy reading nook. Now, let's talk about the lifestyle here at Chestnut at Laurelbrook. This community is packed with resort-style amenities, a pool and a clubhouse, pickleball courts, pocket parks, and miles of scenic walking trails. HOA fees are only $82.50 a month. Plus, you're just minutes away from Lake Norman, Huntersville, Uptown Charlotte, the airport, and more. And for convenience, Publix is only about 8 minutes down the road. So, whether you're looking for space, style, or a community that fits your lifestyle, Chestnut at Laurelbrook could be the perfect match. If you would like more information about this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.